Hello everybody, welcome back to Universe Chat. Today I'm going to start a new project from AMT, a 2006 Chevy Camaro Concept, SQ level 2, scale 125. I'm going to paint that one dark blue metallic. It is right here. In the interior I want to paint it white and probably add some blue on it. Let me show you a little bit around the box. That's how the details on this is gonna look like. I might try to add something different on there, but I like the style of the Camaro, how it looks, pretty neat. The kit come in red. It says right there, model in red. So let's see what is in the box. By the way, thanks everybody subscribe to my channel. My new subscriber, my subscriber, I really appreciate it. Alright, we're gonna start from the box, the body. You see, those have a lot of details, just the handles. The small decal Chevy right in the back panel. These we gotta cut it off out of here. Pretty neat. The interior doesn't have a lot of details on the console. So, well, these we're gonna paint it white. The frame over unibody. The only let me get something to point with. The detail I see is the gas tank with the straps and some small dots that look like screws around here. I've got the glass mirror, the lights, the chrome tree. Has the wheels from the back. They're thick. The front ones are a little thinner than the other ones, but they look pretty neat the way they look. Windshield wipers, bar covers, headers on chrome, low profile tires, bucket seats, door panels. Those have a lot of details. We gotta clean a lot of stuff around it. The rear seats, engine compartment cover, or hood, muffler, suspension, rear suspension, front suspension, axle with the drive shaft, drums with the brakes, engine parts, steering wheel, serpentine bell, a fan, transmission, water pump, radiator shaft, the block. It looks like it's a stick shift. It has 3 pedals. You see them right there. Bumpers, dashboard. I'm gonna get whatever detail we gotta get in here. The decals. We only have these, so I'm gonna add this decals flame that I got from another project from the Lantra 25 that I did a couple months ago. So we're gonna add some flames on the car. Since it's gonna be blue, dark blue metallic, it will kind of match the colors, and the interior is gonna be white. So see what we can do with that one. And instructions, there's one big sheet. They have 12 steps. Step 1 is building the engine. Our second step is building the interior with the floor. Our third step is building the dashboard into the interior. The fourth step, building the rear suspension with the axles. Our fifth step is building the tires with the wheels. Our sixth step is building the front transmission with the mufflers. Seventh step, putting together the floor with the interior and the engine onto the unibody frame. Our eighth step is doing the glass pieces in the engine compartment. Our ninth step is adding the details like the windshield wipers, lights, grills on the bumpers, 10-step lights in the rear bumper. 11th step is putting the body and the frame together. 12th step, finishing with the rear bumper. And that's all the steps for this kit. That's all I have. So I kinda, I gotta make sure I cover with good. We got red. This one color that is hard to cover up. I never expect this to come in that color. So this is all I have for 2006 Chevy Camaro Concept. I hope everybody likes it. Go subscribe, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Thank you for watching.